Boss Menjil, happy birthday!
Birthday boy!
Birthday boy! Baka naman!
Kaya naman! EOM boy!
EOM, number 1. Hello everyone! Good evening guys! Welcome to my vlog. Yorme 23. Hello to all seaman, sea woman, and to all OFW, expat, especially in Dubai. Take care always. Stay healthy. Guys, this is my friend Albert and Edgar. Going to Batuta Mall. We're eating Jollibee, number 1.
Sa taas.
Hello to all my friends. Kenya, Hakuna Matata. Uzbekistan, Kak Dila, Karasyo. Maghrabi. Assalamualaikum. Marhaba. And to all China, Ni hao ma. From Pakistan. कैसा है भाई? अच्छा है, ठीक है? And also India. How are you, my friend? Stay healthy always. From Nepal. Namaste. Best regards to all my big boss, Sanjay Lama, Boss Shapik, and Boss Tangkatyan. Stay healthy. Stay pretty boy. Take care always. God bless. Shout out to all OFW. Stay healthy and take care always. Greetings to all my friends. Marhaba. Dinata. Transguard. Emirates Airline. Innovate. G4S. Also to all airport staff. Stay safe. Stay strong. Hello to all my friends. Perfume shop. Gucci. YSL. Clinic. Bobby Brown, Kiehl's, Joe Malone, Chanel, Christian Dior, Morcel, and be hardworking always. Number 1, Mia Mia. Hello to to all my beautiful managers. Ma'am Hazel, Ma'am Jasmine, Ma'am Tox, Ma'am Melanie, Ma'am Ibet, and Ma'am Nori. Take care always and stay healthy. Regards to Danny, Ron, Joheb, Amin, Sheila, Mike, Billy, Julius, Edgar Creation, Opa Jake, Amado. Guys, Albert said my pendant and necklace beautiful. Then I said small things only, my friend. We want to eat chicken inasal, but cashier said you have to wait 15 minutes to 20 minutes.
Hinuhuli pa.
Change plan. Let's eat Jollibee. Number 1, Mia Mia.
Sige, kailan na kayo ako magbabayad?
Guys, this is very famous Philippines fast food. Rakam Wahid, Jollibee. We order 3 superstar solo meal.
Isang cola, zero. Tsaka isang
My
Pepsi.
drinks,
Tapos water yung isa.
1 Coke, 0, 1 Coke normal, and
Okay.
1 water. I said. This is my order. I'm hungry now. Too much. Because I smell the fried chicken. Yum yum. Shout out to all BA of Clarence from CA Shipsy, especially Miss Beautiful Karen. Stay healthy always, more sale. Number 1, Mia Mia. Number 8. Hello to Mr. Pretty Boy Bubir from Uzbekistan. Take care, my friend. Hi to Katropang Miguel, Loverboy, Sarge Pardillo, and Joel Dulo.
Guys, let's eat
And
chicken
King
joy.
David.
Jollibee. Number 1. You know Jollibee? Very famous in Philippines. Jollibee number 1. Mia Mia. Yummy.
Albert said,
Ano mo na ako?
Yorme.
Ako magdadrive. Ikaw naman magdadrive.
take
Kuha mo na ulit lisensya.
license in Dubai. I said, next time.
Boy, Happy birthday, boy.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, pre.
Stay healthy, ha. Stay pretty, boy. Welcome back in Dubai.
Guys, don't forget, subscribe, like, and follow Yorme23. Thank you very much. See you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Stay healthy always. Enjoy your life. Maasalam. We love you all. Take care. God bless.